Hey everybody, welcome back. This is my second video with my Predator 3500. Bought it a few months ago. I did a video on unboxing it, hooking up the battery, putting oil in for the first time, and then the first oil change. The test today is to see if this battery will start this generator. It's been in the back of the truck and almost 20 below zero for a few nights. It's about 5 degrees right now, but it did sit outside last night and it was about 20 below. So let's see if it'll start. The generator does have electric start. There's a small battery in here. Make sure it's turned off of eco mode. Turn it all the way over to start. Press the starter. Now it's turning over pretty slow. Wow. Well, it didn't start right away, but after I stopped the starter for just a few seconds and pressed it again, it started right up. Like I said, it's been sitting for a couple of weeks. It's been almost 20 below every night, and it just has a little battery in that front compartment. Really happy with this. So far it's been a great generator. Thinking about getting one, I'd certainly recommend the Predator 3500. Thank you for watching.